What's going on, guys? Today is our weekly cleaning here at Chick-fil-A. I was on vacation last week, so I missed this previous week. So it's been 2 weeks since I've cleaned here. And it's pretty nasty. I'm gonna take some better videos. We're gonna get all this cleaned up today. Woo, man! Check this out. We're gonna do the dumpster pad today as well. Pretty nasty. So this is gonna be some good before and afters to show you guys. I'm gonna be using Gold Assassin and hot water today, and we're gonna get rid of all this grease. So I'll oh man, I gotta show y'all up here too. All right, I'll switch the camera around and show y'all kind of what we're dealing with. Also, it's about 110 degrees out here, so I shouldn't need too hot of water. All right, guys, got a little bit of water just from dragging my surface cleaner over here, but as you can see, it's a whole lot better. Still a little wet, so you're gonna see a little bit of shadows, but it'll all dry up and be super bright white. Got over here all finished up. It's kind of hard. There we go. See now. This has only been drying for probably like 15 minutes. So it'll keep lightening up as the concrete dries, but you can already see a huge difference. Working on this over here right now. About to spray some chemical, surface clean, and then we'll be getting out of here. On to the next one. So I'm about to leave here and go wash some trucks. And it's hot out here, man, but almost done. Talk to y'all later. Peace.